This is our DIY playroom slash bedroom. Here's a dollhouse that we are fixing. It was pretty bad, and anyway, it's looking much better than it was. There's a painting on the wall. And some hats. I painted the painting just so the wall would have something kind of simple and relaxing. I made this hat holder. Kind of wish I would have made the pegs a little bit longer, but it works. This is just some storage. Here we go, there's a little TV. And down here, we have a lot of Duplos and just a bunch of random toys. Now this is something I call the monkey bar bed, and I designed this and built it from scratch. I just drew up some plans and brought home some wood from the hardware store, and my husband was like, "Honey, what are you doing?" And I said, "I'm gonna build something." And anyway, I had no idea it would turn out so cool. But it is really cool, and it's like stacked and very strong. I'll stop moving around so much, but it's super sturdy. Super duper sturdy. After I made the bed, I added the monkey bars. But, yeah. You could see kind of what I did there. Because I only have basically a hand drill and an electric sander. You know, the hand drill has some attachments. But I don't have a fancy saw. I have a hand saw. I don't have any fancy tools. Any routers or whatchamacallit. So, after I made the bed, after I built everything, I decided to add some shelves. And so I added some shelves. You can see I have some diapers and wipes up there right now because I have a baby. This was something that I took from one of my son's toys, just so it would be permanently attached. And he's got this little tool here on a rope. He could turn that. This is a built-in abacus toy. I basically rebuilt another toy. I took the beads and the metal bars, and then I did the rest. These are just little cute toddler toys that I attached up here. See, I took some of the little plastic ring things that you sometimes get on baby stuff, and I screwed them to the wood, and I hang toys from them. And there's like a little cool pocket down here. Like I could put some books or whatever I want. Poor Mickey, he's got screws in his feet. Yeah, he's permanently attached. Yep, I just like putting books. I was gonna put a whiteboard up there, but then I realized that if dry erase marker gets on the wood, it does not come off. And I sanded and varnished these boards for a couple of days at least, just on my spare time, and that was a lot of work. And right now, my son has this little toddler bed over here. This is the one he sleeps in because he's really young. I just think it's better for him because he likes to roll off the bed when he's sleeping. And yeah, he doesn't really use that big pillow. It's just up there for no reason. Then I have this blue crate. I can't pull it out right now, but there's this blue crate under there. I made that too. And I didn't realize when I picked out the wheels to attach under it that it wasn't going to roll very nicely on carpet, because it really sucks when it comes to rolling on carpet. This swing here, this was my son's birthday present for his 2nd birthday. And we got that on sale at Walmart. And here is just where we put all the clothes. So, yep, I'm really excited to finally have a nice playroom. And I basically did everything from scratch, from the painting to the hat holder. You know, we're putting the dollhouse together. And this amazing creation right there. It is just amazing. You will not be able to find that online or anywhere else. That is one of a kind. Ben is sharing his swing with his baby sister. And Shada's having so much fun. Right, Shada baby? We call her Shada baby. That's her nickname. Woo, I got you. See? I got you. Okay. Woo. She's 7 months old.
You guys see us how big, right guys? You know, for so big. Like that. I got you.
Hey, don't pull her legs like that. I know. I know, it's tempting because they're so cute. They're so cute. Hey, hey, be gentle. My goodness.
Sorry. Cool. For me.
You're silly. You're so silly. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.